Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Speak with Tom and Sarah. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to have you with us again. Sarah, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling fantastic, Tom. I practiced my vocabulary from our last video and I feel much more confident.
That is excellent to hear. Confidence is the key to speaking English. And that brings us to our topic today.
Yes, today's topic is super important. It is something we do every single day.
Today, we are going to master how to introduce yourself.
Oh, introducing yourself. You know, Tom, when I was a beginner, I was so scared to introduce myself. My hands would shake and I would forget my own name.
Do not worry, Sarah. That is completely normal. Many of our listeners feel the same way. The first impression is very important, and that is why we're here, to help you introduce yourself perfectly.
Yes, by the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your name, country, job, and hobbies like a pro.
So, grab your notebook, sit back, and let's start. Step number 1 is the greeting. You cannot just start talking. You must say hello.
I usually just say hi. Is that okay?
Hi is great for friends, but in a formal situation, like a job interview, you should say hello or good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Exactly. And remember, good night is not a greeting.
It's not?
No. We only say good night when we are going to sleep or leaving a place. When you meet someone at 8 p.m., you say good evening, not good night.
Wow, I didn't know that. I used to say good night to start a meeting. That is funny.
We learn from mistakes. So, listeners, repeat after me. Good evening. Perfect.
Okay, step 2, the name. This is easy, right? I just say my name.
It seems easy, Sarah, but this is where 90% of students make a huge grammar mistake.
A grammar mistake? In saying a name? How?
Many people say, myself Tom, or myself Sarah.
Wait, myself, Sarah. It sounds okay to me. Is it wrong?
It is 100% wrong. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. It cannot be the subject of a sentence. You should never start a sentence with myself when introducing yourself.
Oh my goodness. I hear people say that all the time. Myself, John. Myself, Ali.
Yes, and native speakers never say that. Instead, you should simply say, I am Tom, or my name is Tom.
Right. I am Sarah. My name is Sarah. That's much simpler.
Simple is beautiful. Listeners, never say myself. Say I am. Practice it now. Say your name. I am. Very good.
All right, Tom. We said hello. We said our name. What comes next?
Next, people want to know about your background. The question is, where are you from?
Proudly, I am from the United States.
Perfect. Sarah said, I am from. I am from plus the country name. I am from the UK. I am from Bangladesh. I am from India.
Questioning, Tom, can I also say the city?
Yes, you can say, I am from London, or I am from Dhaka.
Thoughtful, but Tom, what if I was born in one place, but now I live in a different place? For example, I was born in New York, but now I live in London.
That is a great advanced detail, Sarah. You can use 2 sentences. Sentence 1 is, I'm originally from New York. Sentence 2 is, but currently I live in London.
Originally from and currently I live in. I love that word currently. It sounds very professional.
Yes, currently means now. Listeners, where do you live? Answer me. I live in. Excellent. Now, let's talk about work. This is what defines us. The question is, what do you do?
Well, right now I am talking to you.
No, Sarah. When someone asks, what do you do, they don't mean right now. They mean, what is your job?
I know, I was joking. So I should say my profession. I am a teacher.
Notice the little word a. Sarah said, I am a teacher.
Ah, yes. Many students say, I am teacher. That's wrong, right?
Yes, it is incomplete. You must use a or an. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I am a student. I am a businessman.
What if I don't have a job? What if I stay at home and take care of my family?
That is a very important job, Sarah. You can say, I am a homemaker or I am a housewife. Both are correct.
And if I'm looking for a job?
You can say, currently I'm looking for a job or I am between jobs.
Okay, so I am a teacher. Tom, what are you?
I am also a teacher and I am a content creator.
Tom, is it rude to ask about age?
In some cultures, yes, but in an introduction, it is common to share your age, especially for students. But there's a big grammar trap here.
Another trap. Oh no. Tell us, Tom.
Serious. Do not say, I have 25 years. This is a direct translation from other languages, but in English it is wrong.
We use I am, right?
Yes, we say I am 25 years old or simply I am 25. Think of age as a state of being, not something you possess.
I am 28, not I have 28. Got it. Yay! Now my favorite part, hobbies.
Yes, this is how you make friends. People love to hear what you do for fun. The phrase is, I like or I enjoy.
I like reading books, and I enjoy traveling.
Notice the ing. Sarah said reading, not read, traveling, not travel. I like playing football. I like watching movies. I like cooking.
Tom, I know you love cricket. How do you say that?
I can say I like playing cricket, or I can say I am a big fan of cricket.
I am a big fan of Harry Potter.
Me too. Listeners, what do you like? Do you like sleeping? Do you like eating? Tell me one hobby. I like... That sounds fun. Okay, Sarah, we have learned all the parts. Now let's play a game.
A game? I love games. What do we do?
Let's pretend we're meeting for the first time, maybe at a bus stop. I'm a stranger and I start a conversation.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm standing at the bus stop.
Hello, the bus is late today, isn't it?
Yes, it is very late.
By the way, I don't think we've met. My name is Tom.
Hi, Tom. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Are you from around here?
No, actually, I'm from New York, but currently I live here in London. What about you?
I'm from London, born and raised. So, Sarah, what do you do?
I am an English teacher. I work at a language school downtown. And you?
Oh, what a coincidence. I'm also a teacher. I teach online.
Wow, that's amazing. We have the same job.
And cut. That was perfect, Sarah.
That was fun. It felt very natural.
Did you notice, listeners, we didn't just give a list. We had a conversation. We asked, what about you and you? This is the secret to a good introduction. Now it is time for the final test. I want to give our listeners a complete template. Sarah, can you give a full self-introduction from start to finish? Speak slowly so they can write it down.
Certainly. Here is my full introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from the United States. Currently, I live in London. I am 28 years old. I am an English teacher. In my free time, I like reading books and traveling. I am very happy to meet you.
Beautiful. Listeners, this is your template. You just need to change the information. Change Sarah to your name, change United States to your country.
It's like filling in the blanks.
We have covered a lot today, but watching a video is not enough. You must practice.
Yes, we have a homework assignment for you.
Go to the comments section right now. Yes, right now, and write your full introduction. 1, your name. 2, your country. 3, your job. 4, one hobby.
We promise to read your comments and give you a heart.
English is a journey. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Just speak.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Speak with Tom and Sarah.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.